ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ ਪਿਆਰੀ ਸਾਧ ਸੰਗਤ ਜੀਓ The topic of discussion today is what we see in others is what we have in us. I repeat, what we see in others is what we have in us. Pyari Saath Sangat Ji, what we see in the world is actually a reflection of what we have inside us. What we see in others is what we have in our inner being. Bhai Gurdas Ji sheds some light on this in his Vara. He tells us the story of Krishan Ji, Duryodhan and Yudhishthir. Apparently one day Krishan Ji was sitting in his court and Duryodhan came to see him. He looked at Krishan Ji and said, "You look disturbed, Krishan Ji." Krishan Ji replied, he said, "Duryodhan, people get upset and disturbed when they meet bad and unhappy people and feel happy when they meet good and happy people." Krishan Ji said, "Today I feel like meeting a good and happy person." He said, "Go out and bring me a good and happy person. So seeing him, I can be happy." So Duryodhan left in his search. In the meantime, Yudhishthir came to see Krishan Ji as well. Coming in, he said, "Krishan Ji, you look very happy today. You look very peaceful today." Yudhishthir continued by saying, "Today even the biggest sinner will be blessed seeing you." To that Krishan Ji replied, "Go out and look for the biggest sinner then. Find and bring him to me so I can bless him." Both Duryodhan and Yudhishthir spent the whole day looking. Duryodhan looking for a good person and Yudhishthir looking for a bad person. Both of them returned empty-handed at the end of the day. Duryodhan said he could not find a single good person in spite of looking all day. And Yudhishthir said he could not find any bad person in spite of looking all day. Pyari Saath Sangat Jiyo, why do you think so? I think you already know the answer. Bhai Gurdas Ji tells us in his Vara how what we have inside affects our outlook. He says, "Aap pala, sab jag pala, pala pala, sabna kar dekh hai." He says, one who has good in him, he will only see good in others. He sees the whole world as good. Aap bura, sab jag bura, sab ko bura, bure de lekh hai. If one has bad in himself, for him the whole world is bad, and all are bad in his view. Bhai Sahib moves on talking about the Mahabharat battle in Kurukshetra. He says, "Kishan sahai pandava, bhai bhagat kartut visekha." During the Mahabharat battle, both Arjun and Duryodhan approached Krishan Ji for help. Arjun stood at his feet while Duryodhan at his head. Krishan Ji got up and looked at Arjun first and the story goes on. To cut the story short, Krishan Ji decided to help Arjun because he was humble and had devotion in him. He helped the Pandavas because they had in them profuse sense of devotion and morality. Bhai Sahib said, Kishan sahai Pandava, Bhai Bhagat Kartut Visekha. Just like that, God helps and protects people who have good in them. And Bhai Sahib continues, Vair Pao, Chit Kairva, Ganti Ganan Andar Ka Lekha. Which means, he said Krishan Ji did not stand with the Kauravas. Why? Because the Kauravas had animosity in their heart and they always looked at the dark side of things. Their ability to see good was affected as they had kalak, means soot, ill feelings in their hearts. Now, the next Pangati in the Var talks about Duryodhan and Yudhishthir, the above story, where they both set out to find a good and a bad person. Bhai Sahib says, Pala bura parvannaya palan gaye na disht sarik hai. He said both Duryodhan and Yudhishthir obeyed Krishnji and went out looking for a good and a wicked person. After a long search, Yudhishthir could not find a single bad person, and after a long search, Duryodhan could not find a single good person. Bhai Sahib says, Bura na koi Yudhishthir hai, Duryodhan ko palana lek pek hai. None was bad for Yudhishthir, and Duryodhan did not find any good person. Bhai Gurudas concludes by saying, Karvai hoye so toti rekhe, which means whatever sweet or bitter that is in the pot is what that will come out through the spout. Bhai Gurudas says whatever that you have in a container is what that will spill out. Imagine holding a cup of tea. It is the tea that will spill out. Duryodhan was known for his evil-mindedness, so all he saw in people was evil, a reflection of what he had inside. As such, he could not find a single good person. Yudhishthir was known for his godliness, so all he saw was good and godliness in others, and as such, he could not find a single bad person. So if one has love, it will be love. If one has hatred, it will be hatred. If one has godliness, it will be godliness. Now let me tell you another story to help us understand this further. There was a huge tree in the middle of a village with lovely leaves, with a beautiful shade. It was a hot sunny day, so lots of people were resting under the tree. Amongst them was a woodcutter. He was lying underneath the tree, looking at the tree. He looked at the tree and said to himself, What a lovely huge tree. If I were to cut this tree, he thought to himself, cut it into small pieces and then sell it, I could make lots of money from it. Enough money to live a few months. He saw money looking at the tree. Next, there was also a dancer sleeping under the tree. He looked at the tree and said, Wow, the leaves are dancing. Even the branches are dancing. He said dance is a gift from God. It is an expression of joy. He saw the whole world dancing. A poet was also resting there. He looked at the tree. Now what did he see? He said, trees are amazing. He said, a tree is such a parupkari, meaning it is a giver. It gives shade. It gives fruit to whoever that comes to it. Provides a home to birds and animals. It gives away every inch of itself as firewood and for other human purposes. He said, if anyone wants to learn what sacrifice is, then learn from a tree. There was also a sadhu sitting under the tree. He noticed a dry leaf falling to the ground, breaking away from its branch. He went into virag, meaning he got emotional. He had tears in his eyes. He said to himself, just like this leaf, we were once young and able, and will one day break away from the tree called world. We will be no more, just like the leaf. So use the time that we have carefully, he thought to himself. Just about then, another man, looking very disturbed, came in a hurry and sat under the tree. He had a fight with his parents, his wife, his brother, his children, his neighbors, and he left his house. He was looking to go someplace far away for some peace and quiet, away from his fights. He too sat under the tree. Now, sitting under the tree, he was still having mental conversations about his fights. The others were enjoying the cool wind and the lovely rustling sound of the leaves as the branches swayed in a graceful motion. He broke his silence by saying, I left my home to be away from the fights, but it seems like the whole world is fighting. The leaves are fighting, the branches are fighting each other. It seems like there is no place where there is no fight. He saw the whole world fighting. Pyari Sat Sangat Ji, why do you think these people saw what they saw? All of them sitting under the same tree, looking at the same tree but having different perspectives. Guru Arjan Dev Ji says, you see in others what you have in you. To a happy person, everyone seems happy. To a sick person, everyone seems sick. Sick here means sick with vikars, with evil karmas, meaning with evil thoughts and actions. To an evil person, everyone seems evil. Guru Sahib says, Sukhiye ko pek hai, sab sukhiya, rogi ke paan hai, sab rogi. To a happy person, everyone seems happy, and to a sick person, everyone seems sick. Pyari Sat Sangat Ji, how we see the world is how we are inside. How and what we see is a reflection of the state of our inner being. It is a reflection of the amount of work that we need to do on ourselves. Guru Arjan Dev Ji says further in the same Shabad, Man mere, jin apna param gavata, tiske paane, koi na pula, jin saglo brahm pashata. He says, the one who has dispelled his illusion created by his ego realizes that no one is walking the wrong path, no one is bad. He sees good in all, he sees God in all. Pyari Sat Sangat Ji, seeing bad in others is a reflection of low self-esteem. In the pursuit of trying to look good, one looks out for the bad in others. We have to be careful here. Our thoughts and beliefs are very powerful. Our thoughts and beliefs shape our perspective of the world we view and the experiences that we have. When we are judgmental and critical of others, those thoughts become part of our experience and our journey. And if we do this frequently, it becomes a habit and later our nature. Seeing bad in others also affects our relationship with people. Now, going further, how we see the world is affected by our upbringing, our Sangat, and also our past karmas. Connecting to Sangat and Guru helps us dispel this ignorance and clear these karmas. Guru Sahib says, Sant sang jan ka man seetal, oho jane sagli thandi. Haume rog jan ka man vyapat, oho janam marai bilalati. The ones who are afflicted by ego suffer and cries in pain of birth and death, Guru says. But the one who has dispelled, the ones who have dispelled their ego and have connected to the society of saints and Guru Sikhs become joyous and see joy, peace and goodness in all. Guru Sahib says, for the Gyan Anjan Janki Netri Padaya Tanko Sarb Pragasa Agyan Andera Sujas Nahi Bahad Bahad Paramata, which means Guru blesses such people with their spiritual wisdom and everything becomes clear. They start seeing God in all. The one filled with ego, Guru says, will see bad in everything and will dwell in darkness of ignorance and will wander around in reincarnations over and over again. Pyari Sat Sangat Ji, one may think that it's enough to read some books or Google out the answers to this, but unfortunately, it is not an easy task. There is more that lies beneath the things that we cannot see and understand. We need spiritual hand holding. Connect to Guru to Bani. Let Guru handhold us and be our guide in this journey. Guru gives us the realization that we are all his beings and to see God in all and good in all. Guru says, Bura pala kaho, kis no kahiye, sagle ji tumhare. He says, when you start seeing all as his beings, then who do you call good or bad? I become a friend to all and everyone becomes my friend. Guru says, Sabko meet hum apna ki na, hum sabna ke sajan. I am a friend to all and I am everyone's friend. Guru's kirpa, when we get to this state, we will begin to be in peace with ourselves and others around us, leading us to have happier, stronger and healthier relationships. ਭੁੱਲ ਚੁੱਕ ਦੀ ਮਾਫੀ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ।